No, wrong.
Is that not it?
It's right.
Hi guys.
Hi.
So we left Canada and we are in Mexico, and so having good time. We left Canada on Tuesday. Today is Thursday, right? Hmm?
Yes.
I'm just here to relax, chill, and be happy.
Yep. And how's it been so far for you?
Oh boy, aside something happened today that scared me and my husband. Like scared us. It scared me. But aside that one, the experience has been good. And the guy that took us, the driver that has been driving us around, gave us one story today. Maybe if I remember when I'm editing this video, I might just
Yeah.
put that clip. I saw a statue and I asked him, "What is this statue here? Can you go around it?" It was quite huge. And I don't know if you're Nigerian, if you know how they used to
Roundabouts.
roundabout a very big one, and the way they used to put posters during election, or yeah, during election, the way crazily people put posters, pictures. So I saw pictures, but my interest was on the statue, and I asked him, "What's this statue for?" I wanted to know if it was maybe a Virgin Mary statue or something. Shockingly, he said it's the roundabout for missing people. And you need to see the pictures as we saw there. They were so numerous. They are all missing people just in this city.
Yeah, I think he said most of them are drug related.
Dealers.
Drug dealing related. So I don't know. But I guess every country has their own issues. So
Yeah.
he said that that's one of the major issues that they have
Having
here
here
in Mexico.
in Mexico. Yeah.
So drug people kidnap for money or ransom or something like that. But it was sad but true.
Yeah. So we drove around the city, went to places. Tomorrow I want to go to the cathedral.
Yeah.
It's a tourist attraction place here in this city. So we go to that place. And how has it been for you? Hey, we ate food. I got a picture.
Food is good.
It was really, is it tacos?
Taco. I remember the other part. but I
Taco
know it's
de
taco.
pasto. Taco de
I
pasto.
also had taco bistec, which
And
is beef.
and taco de
I remember that one. I
pasta.
don't think we ordered that one.
Guys, it's crazy.
But that pasta sounds just like chicken or something. I don't know. What is it?
I don't know. You ate it too. I don't know. All I know is, anything meat goes for me, whether chicken or, but it's not pork. It's not like oily like pork.
I don't know. But
No, it's not
It
oily.
tasted like bird. But
Bird?
not, as in when I mean chicken is a bird now.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
I don't really know what.
So it's been fun here. It's been
Yeah, it's been fun. It's a nice place.
It's a nice place.
It's a
And
nice place to live. I don't even think I'll.
my husband is
I'll
already.
find it bad.
Oh, my husband is already
Okay,
considering coming back here.
Okay, maybe that's what pastor. Is it with an E?
No E.
I don't know why it's.
He didn't write E when he sent the recommendation.
Oh.
Unless it was a mistake for him.
I don't know. So
Maybe he's shepherd. It might be
maybe it's sheep.
sheep.
Maybe
So
it is. Now let me
So-
ask that question then.
on translate, we have been using translator to communicate here, and it's so fun that they say you English. Even those that can speak, they say English, and it's been so amazing. And I'm not seeing any black person in the city yet, apart from one family that was in same flight with us when we arrived. And the food has been good, even though as Nigerian African babe that I am, I came with my food. So this is my room. Let me show you guys my room. So this is my room. Well, you have to go around. I can't come out from here. Okay? You see? That's my room. But I can't come out from here. I can't come out from there. I had to go around. We had to go around. And this is their breakfast lounge. Breakfast lounge. Now only us they occupy the space. We are the only ones occupying the space. Me, I'm afraid of height. I have phobia for height, but this is the city. So beautiful, Sha. I don't know what they have, but I don't know what they have over there. Is this Tion? Whatever. People are still walking around on this floor. The hotel is amazing too. So what else stood out for you? Steak.
Still steak. Weather is nice. Not too hot. Not today. Anyway, the days we have been here, so I don't know.
Not too
Maybe
hot.
this period is not the hot part of the season. For now, it's not too hot. Not too hot.
Not cold.
Not cold.
But just chill. Like, what's the temperature now?
18 degrees.
18 degrees. But 18 degrees feels so cold.
Yeah, but in the
Compared to
afternoon it was hot.
our 18 degrees there is crazy.
Yeah,
Hot.
because they don't have those wind stuff here now. Our one has that cold wind. But they don't have it. At least I've not experienced it yet.
So what else? That's just it.
It's calm. People
Everywhere seem calm. People seem approachable. They are willing to help. The challenge is the language, which of course they won't speak Spanish and speak my own. They will speak their own. It's left it's on me to communicate, and which we have been using translator Google Translate. Okay, we've been using Google Translate to communicate. And what else? We need to go see more places tomorrow before our flight is in the night, and we will arrive Canada, our hometown, on Saturday and rest. I'm missing my children anyway. Mommy, where are you? Mommy, show me your face. Oh, mommy, my daughters are crazy. Should we go inside?
Yes, I think it's time to call it a night. It's quite late. So
yeah, it's quite late. The time now is
11:44. Time to go and sleep.
11:44.
Tomorrow.
11:44.
Tomorrow I can.
Yeah, but we'll sleep very well this morning. Wake up. We sleep and wake up late. We are not going anywhere. It's not like emergency. It's not emergency. Guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay? And share the video. Thank you so much. A lot of people came and sent me a message. You said you're back. We only saw 1 or 2 videos. I said, come on, chill. I got a lot of things in my bucket. Things are coming up every day, and I'm kind of busy. Chill for me. I'm here. I'm right here, but I'd already planned for this trip long time ago, so I had to complete it. Maybe more experience in my stay in Mexico, more experiences or things that I might have to remember and share will come up later. I hope this video turns out well. This one I'm doing at night, but it is what it is. Let me go and show you guys the room. It's like, babe, is this called an apartment, or is it called an apartment?
Hotel.
Is it a hotel? Suite. oh, it's a hotel suite. Well, they have pot. You have
That's why
cooking.
it's
You have cooking utensils and all those rishi. I came with my buffet because I know I don't know. I don't know. I don't even want to search for African stores here or Nigerian food. So I came with soup and stew, rice and gari because of my odogu that eats Nigerian food. But notwithstanding, we went out and had that tacos de pastor, and we will eat more tomorrow before we leave. Thank you guys. I will see you all later. Bye.
they know how to use that Google Translate to
Yeah.
communicate.
You mean because of the places we have been going to are more like places that attract tourists, people
Yeah, that's
who
true.
so they are so used to having people who do not speak Spanish. So of course we have not gone to the village people. We don't go there see, or we've seen some of them when we talk to them they walk away. Yeah, at the airport we try to talk to one lady. She just shook her head and walked away.